Have you ever bellied up to a bar, mesmerized as a skilled bartender effortlessly crafts cocktails? It's a captivating dance of speed, precision, and a touch of showmanship. But beyond the flair and the friendly banter, there's a world of expertise at play. In the realm of drinks, two key players stand out: the bartender and the mixologist. While both contribute to the enjoyment of your evening, their approaches and skills differ in fascinating ways. Think of it this way. A bartender is like a seasoned chef who prepares classic dishes with consistent excellence, satisfying a hungry crowd. They know the standards inside and out, delivering what you expect with efficiency and charm. On the other hand, a mixologist is like a molecular gastronomist, experimenting with flavors, textures, and innovative techniques to create something entirely new. They push boundaries, surprise palates, and elevate the cocktail experience to an art form. Both roles are essential, each adding their unique touch to the vibrant tapestry of the drinking world. Whether you're craving a classic cocktail whipped up with speed and precision, or an innovative concoction that tantalizes your taste buds, appreciating the nuances of each role enhances the enjoyment of your next bar experience. So let's delve into the fascinating world behind the bar, exploring the distinct skills and contributions of these drink masters. Bartenders are the backbone of any bar, the masters of efficiency and crowd-pleasing classics. They're the ones you can count on for a perfectly poured Guinness, a margarita that hits the spot, or an old-fashioned that harkens back to a bygone era. Their domain is the classic cocktail executed with speed and precision, often in a high-volume setting. Their knowledge extends beyond recipes. A seasoned bartender can read a crowd, gauge the energy of the room, and adjust their approach accordingly. They can seamlessly transition from cracking jokes with a group of friends to offering a listening ear to a solitary patron nursing a drink. They're masters of multitasking, juggling orders, managing payments, and keeping the conversation flowing, all while maintaining a watchful eye on the bar. And let's not forget the flair. While not every bartender is a Tom Cruise-esque showman, they all possess a certain charisma, a knack for connecting with people and making them feel at ease. They're storytellers, entertainers, and confidants, all rolled into one. Their ability to create a welcoming atmosphere, a sense of community within the bar, is what keeps patrons coming back for more. Now let's step into the laboratory of the mixologist. Here, the focus shifts from efficiency to experimentation, from classic recipes to innovative concoctions. Mixologists are the mad scientists of the drink world, driven by a thirst for knowledge and a passion for pushing boundaries. They delve deep into the chemistry of cocktails, exploring the interaction of flavors, textures, and temperatures to create new and exciting taste sensations. Their arsenal includes an array of tools and techniques not typically found in a standard bartender's toolkit. They might employ sous vide infusions, rotary evaporators, or even liquid nitrogen to manipulate ingredients and achieve unique flavor profiles. Their creativity knows no bounds, as they draw inspiration from diverse sources, be it molecular gastronomy, global culinary trends, or the seasonality of fresh local ingredients. But the heart of mixology lies in the pursuit of balance and harmony. It's not just about throwing together unusual ingredients for shock value, it's about understanding the nuances of each component, how they complement and contrast, and how they come together to create a cohesive and delightful whole. A well-crafted mixological cocktail is a testament to the meticulous research, experimentation, and artistry of its creator. Both bartending and mixology offer distinct rewards and satisfactions. For bartenders, there's a certain thrill in the fast-paced, high-energy environment of a bustling bar. They thrive on the challenge of keeping up with demand, mastering the classics, and building rapport with a diverse clientele. There's a sense of camaraderie among bartenders, a shared understanding of the demands and rewards of the job. For mixologists, the joy lies in the creative process, the freedom to experiment and innovate, and the satisfaction of seeing their creations enjoyed by discerning palates. They're constantly learning, exploring new ingredients and techniques, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the world of cocktails. The mixology community is a tight-knit group of passionate individuals who share a love for the craft and a desire to elevate the cocktail experience. And for both professions, there's the simple pleasure of creating something that brings people together, Whether it's a classic cocktail that evokes a sense of nostalgia or an innovative concoction that sparks conversation and wonder, both bartenders and mixologists play a vital role in fostering connection and enjoyment. They're the architects of good times, the facilitators of shared experiences, and the keepers of the bar's unique magic. In the end, whether you find yourself drawn to the artistry of the bartender or the science of the mixologist, the key is to appreciate the distinct contributions of each role. Both professions enhance the enjoyment of your drinking experience, offering a spectrum of flavors, techniques, and atmospheres to suit your mood and preferences. So the next time you belly up to the bar, take a moment to recognize the skill and passion behind your drink, whether it's a classic shaken with panache or a cutting-edge creation that redefines your perception of what a cocktail can be. Remember, it's not about choosing sides in a cocktail clash of titans. It's about celebrating the diversity of talent and the dedication to craft that makes the world of drinks so vibrant and engaging. So, cheers to both the bartenders and the mixologists, the masters of their respective domains, who elevate our spirits and bring a touch of magic to our evenings. After all, in the grand scheme of things, whether your drink is shaken or stirred, it's all good. Thank you for watching. Be sure to drop a comment and like the video to help this video be seen by more aspiring bar enthusiasts. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more behind the bar tips and tricks. Have a great day. See you in the next video.